I know there's many of you out there who want to make money online but you don't want to invest any money and you want to do it for completely free. And so I did some research myself and came up with this very nice system that will allow you to get paid $2.50 for just 30 seconds of work. And I even did the hardest part for you. Stay tuned to learn more. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so the very first thing you have to do, guys, is log into your Gmail account. And you probably already are. But if you're not, just go ahead and do that. If you by a slight chance don't have one, then sign up and create one. Now, the second thing you need to do is to come over to the website that will be paying us today called crowdfireapp.com. This site is seen right here. And we will do social media managing for other people. And before you think about it, you won't need a social media following for this whatsoever. Anyhow, Crowdfire is used by a ton of people who don't have a lot of money or time on their hands. Now, the way that we will be using it is entirely different. What you can do, guys, is read more about this site on here, but I won't be going over all of this because it simply isn't relevant. What you want to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click on affiliate referral right here. So yes, we will be promoting this website as an affiliate, but believe it or not, you won't be using a single social media platform to accomplish that. This is a very unique strategy and you'll see why soon enough. Anyways, check this out. By promoting the site as an affiliate, you'll be able to earn up to $420 per single customer. Obviously, this doesn't happen often, but the fact that it can happen is mind-blowing. Below that, you can see that you will earn 35% of all payments, someone you referred to here, and that's a pretty substantial amount, guys. 35% commissions is not bad at all. Here you can see that you will earn in cash, so no points that you will have to then convert into money whatsoever. You just get paid in cash, plain and simple. It's free to join their affiliate program, so you don't need to invest anything, and you can get started with making money with this site, even if you don't have a single dollar in your bank account. They have quick payouts, so you won't be waiting to get paid for too long. Unlimited earnings, so you can earn as much as you want with this. And lastly, you have easy tracking and reports, so you will have detailed information on how much money you've made and so on. Here you can see how this actually works. So you can sign up and get your referral or affiliate link. And the way that this works, guys, is basically when someone clicks on that link, it refers them to crowdfireapp.com. But if that same person who accessed this site through your link decides to pay this site, you automatically get a cut from the money they've invested into it. Now, promoting your link is how you'll get more people to click on it, obviously. And the more you promote, the more people click on it and the more money you make. And by the way, where you share your link doesn't matter, so you have permission to share it wherever you want for as long as it gets clicks. And lastly, of course, when some people sign up to this site, you can get a cut from their payments. Now, the next thing I want to show you really quick, guys, is something I know you will be interested in, which is how much money exactly you will be making. You can check that out by clicking on pricing rate here, which will bring you to this page. As you can see, Crowdfire has 4 different pricing options, one being free and the other 3 paid ones. It has annual and monthly payment options, with annual ones offering a slight discount since the customers sign up yearly instead of monthly payment. Now, I'll be showing you later on which people you will target and how to reach them. People that we know will have a big budget, which in turn means that they will have more money to spend and will be far more willing to pay the VIP annual plan, which if you do the math, you will earn around $300 a year for a single customer. And you can see now that this has huge potential. 10 customers signing up means $3,000 $30,000. 100 means $30,000. And I'll show you a way to reach literally thousands of people. So you'll be able to earn a lot of money, guys. So stick with me. In any case, what you want to do is come back over to this page, click on join now right here, and create your account. You can sign up via Google if you want to. In any case, I'll now log into my new account so I can show you exactly how everything will look when you do. Okay, so this is exactly what you will see when you log into your brand new account, guys. This, as you can see, is not Crowdfire's website. And right here, they will show you a bunch of companies you can promote as an affiliate. Your job is to find Crowdfire and click on join program. And when you do, you will now be taken to this dashboard. And here, you'll be able to track your earnings. More importantly though, here you will be able to find your affiliate link. You will now want to copy it and come over to the next platform. This platform is called Bitly. Now, as some of you know, this site will shorten any link you want. This is an optional step, guys, but in my opinion, you should be doing this. The reason is so your link becomes more tempting for people to click on. Affiliate links are generally quite long, and shortening them will make them look far more appealing. And so, what you want to do is paste the link in here, click on short, and it will now shorten it for you in a second or so. With that done, let's now get to the part of how you will get people to click on your link and how you'll get traffic. Gmail is precisely what we will be using, guys. And what you need to do is click on compose right here, and remember that I said I did the hardest part of the work for you. Well, here it is. I typed the actual email that you will be sending people. So all you gotta do is copy and paste. I will leave the link to this in my description. In any case, you want to come over here and paste that text. From there, you'll add your affiliate link right here. And where it says name, you'll obviously enter in your name. Once you've done all of that, we need to find people to send this to. And as you may guess, I will show you that as well. What you'll need to do is come over to Google and search for a list of social media marketing companies. And what you'll be easily doing is find thousands of these. And you just need a few of them to sign up via your affiliate link for you to make a very decent profit in passive income. Now, as far as which page you want to open, I recommend this one right here. And check this out, there are over 30,000 firms in here. That's a lot of potential customers. And these are the perfect customers for Crowdfire, because it will save them a lot of time and it won't cost them a lot of money. And remember, we're talking about companies here, so we know that they have a big budget unlike individual people. And so, there's a better chance that they go for expensive payment options over on Crossfire. In any case, you now want to get their email address. To do that, just click on visit website and open up any of these. Find their contact info, which is generally located at either the top or bottom. In my case, it's right here. And on the next page, I can find their email address, and all I have to do is copy it. Come back over here, paste it, and send this message to them. And I'll repeat this process over and over again with all of these different companies. And here is literally the best part about this strategy. There are thousands of them. If you remember correctly, just 100 customers signing up can make $30,000 a year for you in passive income. So you just have to refer them to the website and you will make money in recurring commissions over and over again, which means you don't need to constantly look for customers in order to get paid. Just do this once and that's it. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.